Right, here we go. Right, let's do it. All right, folks, here we are. Sorry about the delay on this live stream. We've been fraught with issues. The South African government obviously shutting down power over there, and Pumz unfortunately being caught in the middle of this, not aware of the times that they were happening, which they obviously didn't advertise very well. But here we are. Anyway, he just got his power back on 15 minutes ago, so we're 15 minutes late in starting this. We've got Dovy here, who came on yesterday. Thanks for turning up yesterday, Dovy, and turning up with a massive score, which you guys will see in a second. Pumz has to do 4 trades to try and beat that score to get Dovy to play again. Either way, these guys are both going to have a go at the 10 trade challenge and have a chance to win $2,000. Okay, so first of all, Pumz, do you want to just say hello to everyone and let them know what's going on over there quickly?
Well, how's it, everyone? So there's just load shedding in South Africa. Basically, the power goes off because there's only one electricity provider, and they're a corrupt company. So they mismanage funds all the time, and now there's not enough electricity. But besides that, all is good.
And Dovy, how are you from yesterday?
I'm good. I'm good.
You're good. Okay, cool. Right, let's get on with it, folks. Thanks for joining in. And sorry once again about the delay. Let's get into this part 2 of the semi-final. Number 1 here on Trading Nut. This is trader versus trader. This is how it works. 4 trades each. So Dovy's already gone. So anyone turning up, you can see his scores over there on the website. I'll put a link in the chat soon. The market, he's going to choose Pumz market, the market that Pumz had to trade. You guys chose Dovy's because Pumz wasn't here yesterday. Losing trader is going to take the 5th trade first, so this could be Pumz. So Pumz needs to beat Dovy's score, which you'll see in a second, and then Dovy or Pumz will go second, and the winner advances to the semi-finals. What are these guys playing for? Basically, the overall knockout competition winner wins a $12,500 evaluation account from City Traders Imperium, my sponsors, and that's valued at £400. Turns into a $50,000 Forex funded account if you pass the evaluation. You also get a 1-year VIP subscription to my other sponsor, Sage Capital Management. They create automated trading strategies for gold, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. So you get access to that. That's $1,000 value. Now, this is where the standings are. So Pumz and Dovy are here in semi-final number 1. Next week, we'll aim to get semi-final number 2 out, hopefully with less issues. I think we've got the US and Ireland, so we should be all right with that time zone difference. I know it's late for you there, Pumz, in South Africa, so probably why they're turning the power off at that time of night. How does it work? So 5 consecutive trades on one market. Traders may enter into 5 trades before the chart data ends. We'll use random starting point picked by Forex Simulator software. And if the random starting point's closer than 2 years, we'll redo the random start point. Traders can cancel their trade setup anytime before their entry triggers. Risk 2% per trade. Stop losses can't be extended once in the trade. Rankings are based on overall percentage gain during the 5-trade challenge, and maximum stop loss is 500 pips or 5,000 points. We're then going to jump in to do the 10-trade challenge. I'll go over the details of this in a second, but this is where the guys are going to have a chance to win $2,000. Dovy had a crack at it yesterday, didn't do very well. Definitely not as well as his first go. This is what they're trying to get is 10 out of 10. The best has been Cass Darman, who had 9 out of 10. Dovy did 6. Pumz did 3 last time, so I'm expecting good things from these guys. Right. What else have we got here? Yeah, so this show is sponsored by the Forex Simulator backtesting software. You're going to see it in action here today. There's a 14-day free trial that you can take. Links are below the video. Have a hunt around for those. And if you want to do your backtesting in an automated fashion, then join my Robot Builders Club. It's a 7-day video course. VIP community, no coding, live Q&A calls, 30 plus ready-made robots. There's links below the video on this as well, and prices will be increasing soon. Now, I just realized one thing I haven't done is load up the simulator software for you, Pumz. So give us a second while I do that. I'm just going to stop sharing here for a second, and we'll load up that software and get it ready for you. Where is it? Forex Simulator. And guys, if you've got questions for these guys, please do chuck them in the chat and we'll see if we can answer them. Okay, so let me set that up for you. New simulation. There we go. So let me know when you guys can see that coming through. Have you got the screen there? Okay. Right, now, Pumz, do you want to request access to the to my PC? Because I believe you haven't got a copy of it, if that's correct.
I do have a copy, but I only downloaded 2 currency pairs data.
You've got a copy. What's the what copy have you got? Sorry, have you got the full copy?
No.
Okay. You won't be able to go back more than 3 months anyway. So okay, now the pairs, Dovy, you can choose from any of these pairs. Which pair are you going to get Pumz to do?
Drum rolls.
Drum rolls. Get
USD JPY.
USD JPY. Okay.
I was just happy with any USD pair. Oh.
Right, now I'm just going to clear that stuff. Is there anything you need on this chart, Pumz?
No. I'll add something if I need it.
Okay, cool. And it's a random starting point in time. Dovy, you can let us know when you're happy with the random starting point. So this one's 2016 December. You happy with that, Dovy?
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Okay, cool. All right, Pumz, over to you. 5 trades. Guys, live scores will be updated on the Trading Nut website. Links below the video at the moment. I will put a link above the video soon as well. So just click and you've got control of that. Pumz. And folks, if I'm looking a bit weird, it's because I've got a bad back still there from yesterday. So I'm going to be sitting back in my chair.
So I think I'm going to aim for 12R on all my trades.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, it did remind me. So Dovy got 20. Sorry, let me just grab the mouse for a second. Yeah. Dovy got 21.24 after 4 trades. So you need to beat 21.24 to get Dovy to go next. Okay. There you go. Back to the action.
So I'm aiming for, I think I'll aim for 12R on all my trades, so about 24%. So I'll be trading from the daily down to the 5-minute instead of executing positions off the daily. Okay, that's already gone.
$12. So you've only got to win a couple, really, don't you, to get over that 24%?
Yeah, I think.
Sorry, 21% that Dovy got.
Like I said, basically, I'm looking at the most recent low that comes after 2 successive bearish candles. Then I wait for a break and close above. But the problem is, okay, it's already broken above this previous high. These two candles go down and then it's broken above the high. So this is actually the most recent low. But I'm just going to play this out. Okay, now I have something clearer. Okay, so the daily is in a bullish trend, making higher highs and higher lows. So now I'm going to go down to the 1 hour and I'll find a bullish setup on the 1 hour, then go down to the 5-minute and execute off the 5-minute.
Somebody's asked, Gerardo's asked the question, what part of Cape Town are you from? He's trying to work out the power cuts for you. I don't know if you're happy
Northern
to
suburbs.
northern suburbs. And the other question is, what's your main strategy?
My main strategy is a day trading strategy, where I target the previous day's highs and lows. Then I just look for an entry.
The other question is, where did you learn your trading style, like the manipulation stuff?
I'm not sure where I learned the manipulation stuff, but the order block stuff is from ICT. Okay, so the daily is in a bullish trend, and now the 1 hour was making these high highs and high lows, but then this is the most recent high, low, and then it got broken there. So basically now the 1 hour is moving into a downtrend. So what I wait for is the 1 hour to move into an uptrend, and then I'll go to a lower time frame to look for an entry on an even lower time frame.
All right, so a fellow trader is in Geraldo, who's been on this, is in the northern suburbs as well, Maitland. He obviously wasn't affected by the cuts because he was able to tell me about the power cuts whilst you were trying to join.
So I'm waiting for price to tap into here, then break structure on the 5 minute time frame, then retrace on the 5 minute time frame, then take a buy. Oh, forgot to change it.
Ted versus Todd Capital Group. Oh, I don't think Ted's coming on here again, to be honest. Maybe he will, I don't know. I've been trying to get Matthew Todd as well on the show. He almost confirmed the other day, but then struggled a bit, moving house or something. I can't remember, but we'll aim for that. We'll see if we can get those guys hooked up. Worth a go. How do you contact ICT? I don't know. He hasn't responded to me for ages. Right, so do you want me to set your risk? Are you ready?
Get it. 147. Okay, I just put 1470 plus 26.
Right, are you ready? Do you want me to set your risk?
Yeah.
Okay, so you got $200 to start off with. I'm guessing that's 1.7. Oh. There you go. Right, ready?
Yeah.
And it's a limit order, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Go for it. are you planning to manage these trades, or are you just going to literally see if they? So you're
I
in.
think I'm just gonna watch them.
That was a loss.
Okay.
Okay, so it's one down. Can you do a podcast on Rock FX? Can you arrange it? He's impossible to get hold of. Problem is, when these guys get a lot of people in there following them, they've got a lot of DMs, and people just don't check their DMs anymore. I mean, I'm sort of not there by any means, but if you do DM me, it's like maybe every 2 weeks I'll go in and check the DM. So just hold fire. I'll get there eventually, and some of them just require a bit of thinking. So I'm not always going to reply straight away.
I'm ready.
You ready? Okay. So you got 195, 196 to play with. So let's work that out. It's probably going to be. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Do you want to hit order? So this is the second trade, folks. Sorry, I haven't put that link up on the thing. Let's put that link up. All right, you're in.
Oh my.
2 down. Oh, that didn't update. So he's got to bring it back big time here, guys. We've got now 25%, just a little bit more to come back and make Dovy play next. So with your 12-hour trades, you need. Well, that's going to be slightly low for him to go first, but it'll still give you a good score. Sorry, mate, I just knocked the mouse by accident. It's the weekend. I can do that for you if you want to get past the weekend.
I'm just gonna go to 4 hour.
Yeah, let me do it. Let me do it. It's easier. It's easier. I can do it. This way. This way. There you go. Right. Remember, you're on 4 hour.
Thanks.
If you're on a PC, you can just press Control and scroll the mouse wheel up. That's an easier way to do it. I don't know if you're on a PC or a Mac. Are you on a PC or a Mac, Pooms?
PC.
Yeah, you should be able to just press Control and then scroll your mouse wheel up to do the instead of clicking that button. So click on the chart and then try that. What's going on here? It's not moving at all. You're on a 15-minute chart. Hang on, can I just grab it for a second? Yeah,
Sure.
can you try that? Just press on Control and scroll your mouse wheel up. Click first, so you got access. Press on Control now, and then scroll your mouse wheel up. Not move. Yeah, Control on the keyboard, and then just scroll your mouse wheel. Don't click the. No, it's not working. Do you want me to? Okay.
Okay.
Right. Yeah, somebody's asking, can you give a bit of explanation as to the entry criteria, Pooms?
Um, well, I look for an order block. I look for imbalance. I should wait for both actually. But yeah, that's basically all.
Okay. And because you're looking for such high reward trades, is there something else that you're doing to try and find those, like that you wouldn't normally do?
Today I'm trying to go to as low of a time frame as possible. So basically get an entry on the 5 minute time frame of a 1 hour area. So instead of targeting 1 to 6 on the daily, I target like 1 to 20 on the 5 minute.
So guys, those live scores are over there on Trading Nut if you want to go and check them out. So you've still got a way to go with the next trade. Okay, hang on. Let me set that risk for you. So you got 191 or 192 to play with. So it's going to be double that. 2.2. Almost perfect. Perfect. Okay, cool. We'll hit order. Hit order and then you're away. Right, let's have a look. Third trade here, guys. Remember to hit like on that video. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you do subscribe. Just hit 50,000 subscribers this week. Quite surprised when my wife goes, I said I'm 6 away from 50,000. And she goes, oh, do you want me to subscribe?
This is funny. When I saw you post this, that's what my girlfriend exactly. That's what she would do.
I'm like, what? You haven't subscribed yet? I've got almost 50,000. You've not subscribed. Ah, jeez. Delete it. Not happening.
Let's see.
Now, completely not related to trading, but related to anyone with aches. Oh, here we go. Sorry, I'll mention this later. Okay, so let's set this. So what was it? 191, 192. So let's just go 3. Okay, there you go. That's about right. Order. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll give you a little bit more. That's exactly right. All right. Let's see if you get triggered in this time. All right, you're in. It's aggressive trading. Not happening. Dovy scores, pushing Pumz there. Blame the power cuts. So just to remind everyone, Pumz got the highest score here on this show to date. He's got the highest score, and I mean, depending on how this sort of last trade pans out, well, you're gonna have last 2 trades if you can't beat Dovy's score on this one. We'll probably get you to do a 5th, Dovy, because you're on the cusp of that highest score ever.
Just to check if I can beat that.
Yeah.
Oh, so he got that score taking 5 trades or 4 trades?
For that was actually
because if he took 4 trades, that wouldn't be fair.
Yeah, good point. I think it might have actually been 4 trades. Can you remember, Pumz?
I think it was 4.
Okay, 4 trades. Which is begs questions like, why are you guys on this show and not on the main show?
Friday night.
Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it.
Okay.
There you go.
Thanks.
Yeah, so guys, what was I going to say? I was going to say, I'm trying to get the right name for this thing.
You said you was going to say something not trading related?
Yeah. Crying out loud. How do I get onto my Telegram on this machine? Because you guys got control of my machine, so let me find it. Right, so this is so right, you can see here I'm like sitting way back. I've got a back issue at the moment, and somebody from my Robot Builders Club sent me a link to something or a name of a product. I just want to know if anyone in the chat, or either of you guys, have used it or heard of it. It's called Wong Tu Yik Woodlock Medicated Oil. Have you ever heard of that?
No.
Shaking head. I'm looking to order some, but it's proving not so easy in New Zealand, and ideally I'd like to have it sooner rather than later. It's weird. eBay, $15 to buy it. eBay Australia, $100 shipping. What's that all about? What's that all about? And then another one was like, either way, it all sort of worked out about $115. So you guys in the chat, have you ever heard of this? Wong Tu Yik Woodlock Medicated Oil. Like, this guy swears by it and says like it'll definitely sort your back pain out. And yeah, it's just, I've never heard of it, so it's worth a try. It looks like it's Chinese. Oh, sorry, made in Hong Kong. When is the Controller FX trade challenge? Oh, yeah, I was going to get them on. Well, this week's been a bit of a mare because this back thing's just screwed me up, and we'll get them on. We'll get them on probably next week. Sounds like snake oil.
Okay.
Guys, if you're a regular here, do remember to hit like on this video. We're lacking in likes on this one. Should be able to get up to 50. Righty-ho, let's work out how much you got here today. So it's 9401. 188. 188, okay. Do you want to put your profit in? Yeah.
Okay, last chance.
Well, you got another chance.
Oh, yeah.
No quite. Perfect. Okay, go for it. Let's have a look. So guys, you need to get a mega return here. Absolutely mega. You're in with 0 drawdown until now. It's not looking good.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what you call chasing the tail. So you carry on, mate. Carry on. It's This
Yeah.
is it to make Dovy play. So you need to now make like $3,000 almost, really, to give him a bit of a
Can you clear the chart again?
clear the chart. Yeah, it's just
Yeah. Okay.
yeah. So what are we at? 9,200. So you need to get to 12,000 in one trade. It's very difficult. Because Dovey, can you remember how your trades went? Were there two big ones or
Was no, it was two. I don't know what was it like. 5% wins, then a loss. I just got pinned out, and like I re-entered the same setup, and it went to like a 10% win.
That's right. Okay, yeah. So it was just solid trading.
Yeah.
When do you head back to Lithuania?
A couple of months, less than 2 months.
Just in time for summer, yeah.
Yeah.
Just follow the sun. Love it.
But yeah. Key to long and happy life.
Yeah. Are you planning to do that on a regular basis, or is your girlfriend over in the States?
Nah, she's back.
Okay. But is it something you plan to do like on a yearly basis? Come back to
No,
the
no,
States
no,
and
no. It's the last year.
okay. I suppose they start asking questions after a while. So, guys, we're at the last trade here for Pumz. He needs a tremendous score here. You can go and see the difference over there on Trading Nut. Link above the chat. Sorry, I have not been looking at any of the chat questions here.
I'm on the weekend.
Oh, you're on the weekend. Let me help you. Let me do it. There you go.
Last position. Let's go.
Okay, so let me work out this again. 9211. Oh, sorry. 9211. Okay, 184. That'll do you. It's almost exact. Okay, this is it. Very tight stop on a 5-minute chart. Well, this is it if you get triggered in.
Yeah, it's not coming back. Okay.
What are you thinking here, Pumz?
Is that your like a real name, Pumz, or you just like call yourself like that?
I just call myself that. My name is Pumulo.
Okay.
Is this how you normally approach it, Pumz?
Well, usually I target the previous day's highs and lows, so not really. But
So what are you trying to do now to get this crazy take profit?
I'm just looking for a specific setup on all the time frames.
Okay. Oh, it was the weekend. I know. Are the people on the show verified traders who trade using real capital? No, we haven't verified anyone's trading accounts. If we were to do that, you could expect maybe one show a year, I think. Seriously. It's like near on impossible.
Oh, nice. Just love that. Okay. Yeah, okay, that's fine.
Okay, right. So, geez, what was the number again? Calculator. So 184.22. So
It is.
Oh, almost perfect. Here we go. 184.25. That's close enough. Right. So that's your take profit there is possibly going to need to be extended a bit if you want to compete. Do you want to know the exact difference?
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Okay.
Yeah.
2,700. So that's going to get you. I don't think that's going to win it, but you can obviously move that later on. Yeah. It's not going to get Dovy to go again, I don't believe. But let's have a go. Let's see where you get to. Oh, actually, before. Oh, no, that's fine.
Okay, it's gone.
We're in South Africa. Is Pumz from? He's from Cape Town, guys. And is my back better? Yes, it was slightly better. I didn't have any painkillers last night and managed to drive the car, which is good. $3 shipping from eBay. Emon. You might need to send me that link, Emon. But that's probably in the US. What shipping? How long is it going to take to get to New Zealand? 3 weeks. $3 shipping, yeah. If you're in the US, maybe. Well, I'm in New Zealand, mate. It's this where the issue is. So still looking for that final trade here, guys. I'll work out the exact difference. 18422. Oh, actually, oh yeah, there we go. Okay, let's have a look. Seven. Oh, 9. Okay, that'll do, yeah. Right. I said that last time. Here we go. You're in. Okay. Pumz, unfortunately, mate, it's not gone well. It's not gone well. But we know that you can trade, which is the main thing. Your first score was the best score we've had on the show, and now you've had the worst score we've had on the show. So
Has nobody ever got 5 losses?
nobody's got 5 losses in a row. But hey, look, you were chasing a big score, and it's a late there, and you weren't prepared really. I mean, you had a power cut just before. So, Dovy, congratulations, mate. You're in the final. Do you want to take one more trade, and get a final 5 trade score?
Right, let's see if I can make it better.
Okay, let's see if you can just take one trade. What we might do is put that in the because what pair were you trading last time?
GJ.
Okay, right. Do you want to join? Do you want to request a remote control?
Let's do it.
Okay, let's get GJ up here. And we'll clear that chart for you. And we will go. We'll give you. Actually, we'll add your score in, so that we can just work out. What am I doing? File. Oh, okay. We'll do. Just clear that. Properties. Here we go. That's what we want. We want to. So it was 12,000. 1, 2, 4. Okay, that's your starting balance. So your next trade is based on that. It's on GJ. We're going to go and get you a random starting time. Actually, this is a pretty good time. We'll use this time because I think that was. You're in 2016 last time, was it?
I don't remember.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, cool. Let's just start
Somewhere.
with that. I think you're
15, 16, something like that.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, so 2017 is fine. So let's do that. And I'll work out.
Can you put moving averages? 200, 100?
Yep. Simple?
Yeah.
Was it 500, was it? 100?
100 and 200.
Sorry, I've changed the colors for these. So this the 100's now blue.
Okay. Okay, so the price currently in the downtrend. I'll mark this trend line up right here, and we'll see how the price reacts to it. Oh. Okay, so the trend line is being respected. Show me that it's valid. I think it's the weekend, but I'm gonna just click it through.
Okay.
Here you go. Okay, still being respected. Nice. So, have a break. Price is trading above both moving averages. They are both crossed. Let's see if we can have a 5-leg move. Oh man. Beautiful. All marked as high. I'll see how the price reacts to this entry level. How is the momentum before looking to go long? I don't know why is it jumping so many candles.
Oh, what are you on the 1 hour time frame? It should just
Yeah.
jump the next one. Is it not?
Okay,
jumping the next one?
so we're in a strong bullish momentum, as you can see. Price is making higher highs and higher lows. We have a 5-leg move. If you look, didn't mean to do that. I'm just gonna. There you go. So we have 1 leg, 2 to the downside, 3, 4, closing below these lows. Getting out all the bears with this push right here and closing above the high. So this is my indication to go long. I'm going to place a buy limit on the blue line. Is this how you place the limit right here?
Yep. Oh, no. Just limit orders up the top here.
Oh, right here.
Yep. If you want to change the location of it, you can just go.
This?
You can either type the number in. So you want to place it on the blue line. It's 142.792.
Oh.
So you buy limit or is buy limit.
Buy limit. Okay. Where do I put?
Yeah, let me grab the
right
mouse.
Here.
That's it.
Right.
Yeah, 792.
Okay. 792. And the stop loss.
And let's work out how much you got to play here.
Below. I want to go to a lower time frame. This is gonna be my stop loss. Okay, yeah, I'm good.
Coolly. Oh, right. So 242 is what you got to play with. So let's have a look at that. It's probably half of that. No, not quite enough. Perfect. Right. Right, so your take profit's floating. Let's have a look, see how you get on. Okay, triggered it. It's floating about 1R here, guys. A bit more. What are you looking for in terms of like to get out or to control your risk?
I'm gonna go look to the left and see what the market is giving me right now. Okay, this is the price where it's at this level. Okay, this is a pretty strong level. Wrong one again. Okay, so
Do you want me to move the take profit?
no, okay, this right here. Left. I like this level right here. This is 144. Let's see what is this 144, 750.
Yep, that's about
good level right here. So how do I move my take profit?
You should be able to drag it up.
Right here?
Yeah, it's not working. This happened last time. Hang on, let me do it.
There. No?
Oh, no, that's not your take profit. That's your that's the line. Let's there you go. That's your take profit. I don't know how we did that, but you got
okay,
it.
I'm going just below and move my stops to break even.
Okay.
Just above.
Okay, cool. So you can't get any lower than what you had, which would have been the second highest scores behind Pumz. And do remember, guys, these guys are going to take the 10 trade challenge again. See how they go. They did well last time with 6 and 3. Dovy not so much yesterday, but the first time he had a crack, he got 6.
I think I'm at minute 30 up.
There you go. Bullsh. Okay. 128.13 is the highest score ever on this challenge after 5 trades. Pumz, I think you might be right there with the highest score after 4 trades. So I'm going to make a note of that there. 28.13. And guys, we're going to jump into the 10 trade challenge here.
It's just going crazy.
Right. Okay, who wants to go first? Dovy, you've got control. You may as well go first.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay. Right, so let me just clear that stuff off there. Close that down, close that down. Let's get you up here. Now, guys, I'm going to jump into what this is all about in a second. So if you're new here and don't know how this works, this is how it works. So basically, the guys have got 10 trades. Well, they haven't got 10 trades. They've got to get 10 out of 10 trades right. They get to win $2,000 US. 10 Forex pairs, I'll pick them. 1 trade per pair. Minimum 1-to-1 risk to reward per trade. Minimum take profit of 30. Stop loss 100 pips is the maximum. So really, their trade's going to be either 30 to 100 pips. Stop loss to take profit. And only 60 seconds to enter each trade, which is the kicker. If you guys want to take part in this, we will do an open day. You need to have your webcam on, and it's probably worthwhile getting a copy of Forex Simulator software, having a practice at it, so see if you are going to be capable of doing this right. Let's get into this now. We're going to do it. It's fairly rapid because it's 60 seconds. Okay, I'm going to pick some pairs. I might just go from this side down, up, I mean.
Somebody said 10 out of 10. Easy.
Oh yeah, it's so easy. Right, you're on the 15-minute chart there. Let me just find a random starting point. Okay, there you go. And let me set the timer, 2 seconds. Okay, you ready, Dovy?
I am.
Go. I'll do some updates on the time here. 45 seconds. Test technique. There's a form on the page. If you check it out, click the link, the button to go to the form, fill it in, and we'll get you on a future version of these if you really want to have a go at getting the 10 out of 10. Because you could get multiple goes like these guys. 20 seconds left.
Why is this skipping 2 things? I don't know. You see?
Yeah. I'll just pause the timer. You got 10 seconds left. Let me just... I think now it should work if you try clicking once again. Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay, 10 seconds, go.
Weekend.
Okay, I've paused it. Okay, 4 seconds left.
Oh, I minimized the screen.
Okay, you got to enter now.
All right, let's do buys. Since we're in an uptrend. I mean, this trend line was broken. It's been respected a couple times.
Okay,
But I first time I did with the momentum, I got 6. Yesterday I did against momentum and I lost the first trade. So let's do buys. 1-1, and my stops. Can I?
Yeah, move it now. Yeah, move it now.
Okay. So this is 30 pips, right?
It's 30 now. Yeah.
Right here. Let's do a little 50. Oh man, I don't like this. Okay, whatever.
Okay. Buy. Right, let's have a look.
Hey!
Gets it in 2 candles. Okay, that's 1. Next pair is going to be GDP NZD. Right, ready, Dovy?
Ready.
Start.
Oh, this is 1 minute.
60 seconds too low from Ahmad. It is low. It is very low. But we've had Cass Darman get 9 out of 10. So it's doable. It is definitely doable. But it is very tough. 35 seconds.
Weekend. It's weekend.
Yep.
Yeah.
There you go. 30 seconds, or less than 30 seconds. 25.
Come on, break it.
13.
Weekend.
10 seconds.
Oh, no, I got it.
6, 5, 4. Okay, you got to enter.
This stuff. Oh. Can I look left or no? I cannot do anything.
You can't look left. You've got to enter.
Oh, man.
Should have looked left
This
when you were
is
doing
tough.
it. You should have looked left when you were doing it.
60 seconds, man.
That's your 60 seconds.
All right. We had 2.0728. 2.075 is above.
You're already eking out the extra 60 seconds here.
Okay.
Come on. I'm going to give you a count. 10 seconds. Buy or sell. You got to make a decision. 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Selling.
2.
I'm selling.
Okay. Right, put your stop
I'm
in.
selling.
That's 24. Oh, hang on, are we on
I
the...
got this, man.
yes, 24. That's too close. It's 23.
I gotta do more?
Yeah.
Okay, I can do more. Above 2-1. Yep, right here. Boom. Come on, man.
Selling.
Against momentum.
It's done it again.
Ah, that's why I don't trade against momentum, but still get it. Come on, baby.
Got 2. American note of that. Okay, right.
I had that 2.1 level really strong. That's why I placed my stops above it.
Come on, man. What's this one? UJ. Okay. Right, 60 seconds, and you're going to have 5 seconds to tell me at the end. Go. I'll pause it for weekends. Just tell me weekend.
Okay. Weekend.
There you go. 30 seconds.
Okay. We have a nice resistance there.
20 seconds.
Respected. Broken. Come for a retest. Come for a retest.
10. 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
5, 4,
Bye.
3. Stop loss.
Okay. Let me set it. Maximum is 100, right?
Yep.
So we have this resistance on the left. I have this long wick. 50. I have a 134.5 level. I'm gonna do just right below it. So 134, 134.46. This one. I'm gonna buy.
Okay, 94.3. Okay. Let's have a look. He's out. He's out. Sorry, Dovy. Third time wasn't a charm. This is difficult. Pumz, do you want to gain control?
Sure.
Oh, I lost?
You lost, mate. The trade went. Yeah.
I got my internet lag. Oh.
Sorry, mate. Sorry. Don't worry. You're in the final. So you did well there. Okay. Right. Pumz got 3 last time he did this. So, Pumz, do you want to... have you got control of the mouse now? Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Ready? Oh, hang on. Let me find a random starting point. Okay. There you go. Let's go. 1 minute. He needs to get 10 out of 10, guys. Dovy got 2 out of 10. Not quite as good as his first effort. The best ever has been 9. Sorry. Yeah, Dovy got 6 the first time, so... It's almost like you're overthinking it, Dovy. Like, now you've sort of had time to...
Yeah, last time I was just like, momentum going to the upside, buys. Momentum going to the downside, sells.
Yeah, now
That's
you
it.
just... 30 seconds.
Okay, I'm fine.
Okay. Stop loss. So that's 30 pips there, I think. Okay, 46. Buying. Let's have a look. Shot up. You win one today, Pumz. Well done. Gosh.
Oh,
Okay.
imagine I lost everything.
Yeah, that would have been a shocker if you'd lost everything. Exactly.
Should have used this strategy for the challenge.
Yeah. Well, that's what like Cass. We're like, what are you doing? You should just use this. Okay, CAD JPY. Righty ho. Let's find your starting point. Okay, ready? Go. Just say weekend if you hit the weekend, and that's the daily. If you hit the weekend, just say weekend, and I'll pause it for you.
Weekend.
Go. 30 seconds.
Okay, I'm buying.
Set your stop. 30 to 100. 51. Okay, cool. 517. Buying. Well, he's got to get 10 of these. He's got one. It's looking good. 2 out of 2.
Let's go. There you go.
Righty ho. Next pair. There's another UJ. What date's that? Yep. Okay. Go. Still on the 15-minute.
Yeah. I'm wasting time.
30 seconds left. Ten.
Yeah. I'm selling.
You're selling? Okay.
Yeah. Oh, this is a horrible place. Okay, just go for it. Just above the weeks. Let's go.
Okay, 63.
Hey, that bullish wick doesn't look good, man. Yep.
Oh dear. Both got 2. That's all right, guys. Don't worry. You did well. You did better than most. Thank you very much for coming on the show, guys. Now, let's wrap this thing up. I'll try and sit up on my chair here. Okay, so we've got here... Where do we end up? So let's go back here and just have a look at this. So we've got here... Pumz, unfortunately, didn't do very well in the challenge, trying to chase a massive score from Dovy. And we can probably have a look at these here. I think I've updated them. So let's have a look at where we ended up. Dovy with 28.13. Pumz with 5 losing trades in a row, which is the lowest score we've had. But he did get the highest score. If you come down here and have a look, and I don't think we have the number of scores here, but well, you can see it in this anyway. He had 25.5 in the first challenge, so that was the high score. Dovy, you're now the holder of the highest score, so you're going to have that up here. I will put all 5 trades up just for the sake of it. And you know, you had to come back twice, and it's not been ideal. But yeah, so this is where we're at. So that was the 10 trade challenge they just did. Dovy didn't quite beat us 6. They're both coming in at 2, so we'll add you to the table. Actually, I won't add you to a table because you're already on the table. So well done, guys. Now, do remember, I've got some other things coming up as well. So we've got a great podcast only this week, and also a video as well that's going to pop up in the weekend. So stay tuned for that. But also remember to check out this particular video. This one is going gangbusters. Best chart analysis I've seen in 10 years. This guy is fantastic. We got the celery play trade here, who this is Controller FX. So we're going to try and get him on the challenge as well. Go and check that out. Cass had 9 out of 10 in this particular video, so you got to go and check that out. He also got the highest score for the guest challenge, the individual challenges. We've got this video here with Nick Sean as well, where he shows you his simple trend trading strategy. You need to have the right mindset for it. It's a great little strategy though. And also go and check the challenge out we did with, with Richard, who got the highest score on that challenge. Now he overtook Cass in the final challenge there. So guys, remember this challenge is being brought to you by Forex Simulators back testing software. In fact, the interview this week is with the CEO of the software, and he's done an amazing account flip that you got to go and check out as well. 14-day free trial with that, so there's links below the video. And if you're keen to learn how to build trading robots, then I've got a course here, the Robot Builders Club, 7-day video course, VIP community, no coding at all, live Q&A calls, and 30 plus ready-made robots when you join. Links are below the video. The price is going to increase soon though, so now is the time to join. Now guys, before we wrap up, do you want to just sort of let people know, maybe Dovy, you go first, then Pumz, what's the best way to get hold of you?
Yeah, once again, my Instagram is Dovy.FX. I put it in the chat. You can reach out to me over there. In my description, I have a link with another link of my Telegram, where I share all my setups, all my trade ideas, some of the knowledge that I have, and yeah.
Brilliant. Superb. We'll see you in the final anyway. And Pumz?
You can watch my analysis videos, Scorpions trading on YouTube.
Cool, guys. Well, look, Pumz, thank you very much for coming on. I know it was I think it was tough coming in and having the power cut issues, and also having to chase Dovy's massive score, which had it gone the other way, you might have won the toss and gone first, which meant Dovy would have been chasing. So it is what it is. Thanks for taking part. Now, I see here that Q Banks is in the chat. So Q, thanks for coming back to my message. Yep, I'll have a read of that before, so you can send me a recorded one. We'll see how that works. I'll chat to you on Instagram. Now, guys, thanks for watching. We've got the semi-final number 2 coming up next week to see who's going to compete against Dovy. It's either going to be Rob or Nathan. So guys, stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching. Okay, that's it.